On Tuesday, May 1, 2018, journalists from across the region converged in Kingston, Jamaica for a 5-day intensive training workshop on investigative journalism. Workshop facilitators included Knight Foundation Chair Jim Clancy, Branch Houston of Investigative Reporters and Editors Inc., and Jamaica's own Jenny Campbell and Dr. Canute James.
The Media Institute of the Caribbean brought together some really promising and accomplished journalists to discuss with them how they could collaborate better across the Caribbean on different islands, looking at some common issues. And it's important to lift everybody's game, and that is use data better, understand doing interviews better, know how to bring an investigative report together so that it really helps the public to understand what's happening on a certain issue.
There is need for workshops like this to help collaborate with journalists across the region. I think so far it has been very educational. It has taught us things about tools that we need for the job, the resources that we need. And I think going forward, this is a very good venture by the Media Institute of the Caribbean, of course with the aid of the U.S. Embassies in Trinidad and Jamaica.